Future nurses, welcome back to my channel Nurse Profession Bangla. First question: bleeding from the nose is termed as hyperemesis, hemoptysis, hematemesis, epistaxis. Answer হচ্ছে epistaxis. Epistaxis refers to bleeding from the nasal cavity due to rupture of blood vessels in the nose. Common cause include trauma, hypertension, infection, or dry ear. Second question: abnormal lateral deviation of the vertebral column is lordosis, kyphosis, scoliosis, osteoporosis. Answer: scoliosis. Scoliosis is a condition where the spine curves abnormally to the side. It may be congenital, postural, or due to neuromuscular disorder. Third question: an intentional touching of the patient's body without consent is termed as negligence, assault, battery, malpractice. Answer: battery. Battery is the intentionally and unauthorized physical contact with a patient without consent. It is a legal offense in nursing practice and violates patient right and autonomy. Fourth, the paralysis of both upper and lower extremities is known as hemiplegia, paraplegia, monoplegia, quadriplegia. Answer: quadriplegia. Quadriplegia is paralysis affecting all four limbs due to spinal cord injury. Fifth, first sign of hypoxia: cyanosis, restlessness, bradycardia, unconsciousness. Answer: restlessness. Restlessness is the earliest sign due to decreased oxygen supply to the brain. Late signs include cyanosis, bradycardia, and unconsciousness. Normal urine output per day: 200 to 500 ml, 500 to 1000 ml, 1000 to 1500 ml, 2000 to 3000 ml. Answer: 1000 to 1500 ml. Normal adult urine output is 1 to 1.5 liters per day, indicating proper kidney function. Output less than 500 ml per day suggests oliguria. 7. Injection angle for subcutaneous injection: 15 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. Answer: 45 degree. Subcutaneous injections are usually given at 45-degree angle to reach the fatty tissue layer. Best site for subcutaneous injection: deltoid, abdomen, gluteal, or thigh. Answer: abdomen. The abdomen is preferred due to good blood supply and consistent absorption. Commonly used for insulin and heparin injection. Ninth, fluid volume deficit causes edema, dehydration, fever, pain. Answer: dehydration. Fluid volume deficit leads to dehydration, resulting in symptoms like dry skin, thirst, and low urine output. It occurs due to excessive fluid loss or inadequate intake. 10. What is the best position for dyspnea patient? Supine, Fowler's, Trendelenburg, prone. Answer B, Fowler's position. Fowler's position helps expand the lungs and reduces pressure on the diaphragm. It improves breathing and oxygenation in patients with respiratory distress. 11. Which IV fluid is used for shock? DNS, NS, RL, dextrose. Answer: RL by Ringer lactate. Ringer lactate is preferred in shock because it is an isotonic fluid that restores circulating volume quickly and helps correct acidosis, improving tissue perfusion. Which blood group is called universal donor? A, B, AB, O. Answer: O. Blood group O has no A or B antigens, so it does not react with any blood group, can donate to all. Which blood group is called as universal recipient? A, B, AB, O. Answer: AB. Blood group AB has no anti-A or anti-B antibodies, so it It can receive blood from all groups. What is the cause of oxygen toxicity? Low oxygen, high oxygen, infection, drugs. Answer: high oxygen. Oxygen toxicity occurs when high concentrations of oxygen are given for a prolonged period. 15. Code of Ethics conducted by WHO, ICN, UNICEF, Red Cross Society. Answer: ICN. The International Council of Nurses provides the Nursing Code of Ethics. It guides professional conduct, patient care, and ethical decision making. 16. Legal consent needed for which procedure? Injection, surgery, dressing, blood pressure. Answer: surgery. Informed consent is legally required before any surgical procedure. It ensures the patient understands risk, benefit, and alternatives. 17. What is the maximum score of Glasgow Coma scale? 10, 12, 15, 20. Answer: 15. The Glasgow Coma scale assesses level of consciousness based on eye opening, verbal response, and motor response. The total maximum score is 15, indicating a fully conscious person. 18. What is the most common nosocomial infection? UTI, pneumonia, TB, HIV. Answer: UTI. Urinary tract infection is most common, often due to catheterization. Poor catheter care increases infection risk in hospital. 19. Which is the first step of nursing process? Diagnosis, planning, assessment, evaluation. Assessment. Assessment is the initial step where the nurse collects subjective and objective data about the patient. 20. What is the normal adult pulse rate? 40 to 60, 60 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. Answer: 60 to 100. The normal pulse rate in adults is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Values outside this range may indicate tachycardia or bradycardia. What is the most common infection route? Air, water, contact, food. Answer: contact. Most infections spread through touch, hands, surfaces, direct contact. 12. 22. Which is the most reliable blood pressure measuring site? Radial, brachial, femoral, carotid. Answer: brachial artery. The brachial artery is the standard and most accurate site for measuring blood pressure. It provides consistent reading compared to peripheral sites like radial. Question 23. Which position required to give enema? Supine, Fowler's, left lateral, prone. Answer: left lateral. Left lateral by Sims position is preferred because it follows the natural curve of the sigmoid colon, allowing easier flow of fluid. 24. Which is the IM injection site in adult? Deltoid, vastus lateralis, gluteus medius, all. Answer: all. Common IM sites include deltoid, vastus lateralis, and gluteus medius. Selection depends on drug volume, patient age, and muscle mass. 25. Which needle angle is required for IM injection? 15 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. Answer: 90 degree. IM injection are given at 90-degree angle to ensure the drug reaches deep into the muscle. 26. Which is the best vein for induced IV? Radial, cephalic, femoral, jugular. Answer: cephalic vein. The cephalic vein is commonly used because it is superficial, easily accessible, and has good blood flow. Sterilization by steam is called boiling, autoclave, radiation, filtration. Answer: autoclave. Autoclaving uses steam steam under pressure 121 degree Celsius to destroy all microorganisms including spores. 28. How to prevent bed sore? Massage, turning patient, drugs, oxygen. Answer: turning patient. Regular position change every 2 hourly relieves pressure on bony prominence. It improves blood circulation and prevents pressure ulcer. 29. What is the normal respiration rate? 8 to 10, 12 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Answer: 12 to 20 per minute. Normal adult respiratory rate is 12 to 20 breaths per minute, indicating proper lung function. Higher or lower rates may indicate respiratory distress or illness. Which first aid step will follow in burn? Ice, oil, cold water, powder. Answer: cold water. Immediately cool the burn with running cold water to reduce tissue damage and pain. Avoid ice or oil is they can worsen injury. Thank you for watching and subscribe Nurse Profession Bangla.